Hey there, it's Kimberly here with Knit for Brains, and today is not necessarily about yarn, but it's really about protecting our hands and taking care of our hands so that we can crochet and knit for years to come. So definitely stay tuned for this episode. Oftentimes, as this channel grows, I get people reaching out, companies reaching out saying, will you try our products? Will you feature us on your channel? Most of the time I say no. I mean, unless it's yarn. I'm like, okay. And I've had some pretty crazy things that have been introduced to me. Would you like to feature it on my channel? One thing I'm still trying to figure out how to do, a blow-up stand-up paddleboard. And if I could figure out a way to crochet or knit while on a paddleboard, you're going to see it. However, when this company reached out to me, I was like, oh, yes, I'm actually really familiar with these guys, and I was really excited to try it. So they sent me the Hand Massager by Bob and Brad. Now, if you are not familiar with Bob and Brad, they're a YouTube channel. They have been on YouTube for about 14 years, two physical therapists. Unfortunately, Bob passed away about 2 months ago, back in August of 2025. And now they've got a new gentleman on the show, and his name is Mike. But they've been doing this for 14 years. And they talk about all kinds of ailments and just general health information, everything from like babies all the way up to 101. They hit all the ages. Talk about like seniors and safe from falling. They have a lot of like back massagers and heat massagers and eyes and just different ways to really take care of the body. So when I saw this, I thought, yes, I'm really excited to give this one a try. This is the Bob and Brad Real Hand Massager for Real Relief. So we're going to give it a try and see what we think. Now, I did open this because I wanted to charge it so that I could show you how it works. So it comes in this really nice carrying case. Now, I believe that there is a newer version than this one that just released, but this is the one that they sent me here. And I'll include all the links below. These guys, as I said, they've been around for like 14 years. They have like 5 million plus subscribers. So they really know what they're talking about. Comes in this nice little pouch here. So this is the unit. It is USB powered. So inside here, you get yourself a nice USB cord that is included. So you just plug it into any USB outlet, and then this side here just plugs into the side right here. And then you just go ahead and plug it in. Now, I've already charged this, so I don't need to plug it in. But if you do, you get it, and it's basically zero charge. It takes between 3 to 3.5 hours for it to get a full charge first time around. So I've already done that, so I'm going to take this out. It also includes these little finger massages, which I'll show you how to use that in a second, as well as some instructions on what to do. So there are 3 different settings in this machine. There is the healthcare settings, there is the soothing setting, and also the energizing, and it depends on which part of the hand it's going to massage. Now, it doesn't actually use rollers, it uses air compression. If you can see inside here, this area inflates and it compresses down on the hand, so it's not going to give you the roller action, which is actually good because that's going to relieve or possibly any injury. Sometimes those rollers can be a little bit tough and can cause some bruising. All right. They also include in here some disposable gloves. So let's say I wanted to put on some lotion. I could put some lotion on my hands and put the glove on. And I'm going to go ahead and use the glove because I want to protect the fabric on the inside, but you don't have to. If you don't put any lotion on, you don't have to. It's a nice kind of a nylon feeling material. So now it also recommends to take off your jewelry. So I'm going to go ahead and take off my rings. It works on either hand, but you only do one hand at a time. So this is going to be great for anybody that has like carpal tunnel syndrome or actually even Raynaud's. My mother has Raynaud's, and this was really great for her because it applies the heat and also the massage. So it's going to increase circulation for your hands and your joints, and it actually goes all the way up to the wrists. So we just power it on here. You just hold the button and you'll see it power on about 2 to 3 seconds. All right, so this one here is the healing mode. And if I want to change it, I just switch it over here. And you see how the colors change, and the colors indicate whether it's the healing mode, the soothing mode, or the energizing mode. This also is the intensity, so you can see here we've got the different bars, and this is the heat mode over here. So I'm just going to go ahead and put my hand right inside here It's pretty quiet too. So right now it's actually grasping a hold of my fingers. Now they recommend that you do this for about 15 minutes. And what's nice about this is that when it's all done, it's just going to time itself off. It has an auto shut off device. Now it's moving into my hand. The air is compressing from underneath, so it's coming up into my palm, and it's also coming from the top, so it's compressing my palm, my hand from both sides. Oh, this feels really good. This feels really, and now I'm getting the heat. So it's actually doing a full compression right now. It's just holding it. Now it's releasing. It's moving back into my fingers. And it's now doing my fingers and my palm. Now, if I were to move to a different setting, let's try, and with the different settings, it will go and it will compress different parts of your hand all the way up to your wrist. Here in the instruction booklet, it shows you what areas. So in the healthcare mode, that is the blue light, and it will massage the areas of the fingers, the palms, and the wrist. The soothing mode, which is the green light, massages your fingers and palms, and the energizing mode, which is what I currently have on, the red light, massages the palms and the wrist. So I can actually feel it compressing on the wrist. Hours of crocheting or knitting, using our wrists, using our fingers. Oh, and there's that heat. It's amazing. And it's not too strong. And again, because it's not the rollers, it's just the compression, I'm not having any discomfort. It's not rolling over my knuckles or over the top of my hand. And sometimes people can have some sensitivity issues with that. This is really lovely. I think you should definitely treat yourself. Now it's doing, so it's compressing and releasing air in almost a rhythmic motion. So it's compressing on the wrist, and then the fingers, and then releasing and alternating between the two. So it's giving me this really wonderful, kind of almost a rolling, pulsating sensation. Now, if I were to move into the, I don't think I want to stop. You can hear it's as the air is releasing, and it's moving between my palm and my wrist, like the bottom of my hand and my wrist, and it's alternating between the two. Let's try this mode. So this is the healing mode, healthcare mode. This is the blue light. So this massages my fingers, my palms, and my wrist. And I can feel it now coming to the fingers, compressing the fingers. So again, carpal tunnel, arthritis in our wrists, our fingers, this is offering really great relief, but it's also increasing circulation in the hand. So that's not only going to offer relief, but it's also going to improve the health of our hands, our joints, our bones, because it's increasing the circulation. And it's compressing my little fingers. This is really awesome. I was so excited when they sent this. This is the only hand massager that they've got out there. They've got things for the backs and the neck and the shoulders and chairs. I mean, they have everything. I'll include the link to their Amazon store. If you haven't checked them out on YouTube, you definitely should. It's Bob and Brad. I will include the link to them. But they just offer fantastic, wonderful advice and insight and help and tips from things like how to bend over and pick something up safely and prepare and protecting our backs, protecting our whole entire body. So between Bob and Brad and Mike, they offer over 60 years of experience in physical therapy, health, and wellness. 15 minutes a day is all they recommend. So I would do this while I'm watching TV. And then when you're done with one hand, just switch it over and use the other hand. I haven't done the soothing mode. Let's do that one. So that's the green light. That's going to massage just my fingers and my palms. And this here is just the heat. So I can turn it on or off if I don't want the heat. I like the heat. All right. So remember, this will automatically shut off after 15 minutes. But if for whatever reason you don't want to do it the entire 15 minutes, I don't know why you wouldn't want to. This is amazing. You just go ahead and you hit the power button and you hold it for about probably 2 to 3 seconds. You'll hear the beep. It all shuts off. All the air releases. And my hand comes out. Ta-da, ta-da. Now I want to show you this little finger massager that they've also included in here as well. Oh, that just feels, that feels so good. My hand is so warm and tingly right now. So this here is the finger massager. And basically, it didn't come with any instructions, but it wasn't hard to figure out. And it kind of just spreads apart a little bit. So you just take your finger and you just roll it inside, and you just roll it back and forth over your finger, over the joints. You can even turn your fingers and back and forth from side to side. And we just go like so. And then you just put your finger in there. Oh, this is amazing too. So if you just need a little bit of, like achy fingers at the end of the day, and you just want to keep this maybe by your TV set, something along those lines, just a nice little rub. And then you put each finger in individually. We do talk a lot on this channel about safety, ergonomics, proper positioning, and just ways to stay safe while we're doing crocheting knitting, because you can hurt yourself. You can strain your back, your neck, your joints. So it's important to understand proper body mechanics and position when you are crocheting and knitting and working for so long. But having little tools like this is amazing. I'm going to sit this right next to the TV. So as I'm crocheting or knitting at night, and maybe I'm getting a little sore on the side there, I love this. All right. Well, there you go. Thanks so much for watching. This is Kimberly with Knit for Brains. And as always, I'll see you soon.